Good morning guys, how y'all doing? So today in this video I'm gonna show you how and everything that you need to travel and all the essentials you need to start working for a cruise liner. A little bit of update, tomorrow I'm flying at 6 p.m. so fingers crossed everything's go as planned. Before I start I'm gonna go and do a haircut. Be right back. Okay, I still need to shave, but that's gonna happen later. Okay guys, so let's start. Okay, so yeah, you need a suitcase. For us guys, we need pretty small ones. We don't need heels, we do not need a lot of makeup. We need only basic stuff. Come here, boy. Come here. Okay, starting from the bottom, going up. So, guys, you're gonna need a lot of socks. This is the thing. On a cruise ship, there are washing machine, yes, and there's detergent, yes, but there are like 10 washing machines and 10 dryers, and there are 1,300, probably sometimes more, sometimes less crew members on board. Not always you have time to wash your stuff. So what I'm doing, I collect all the dirty things what's wrong? All the dirty things that I have, put them in a bag, and like once a week or two times, sometimes a week, I go and wash my stuff. Probably sometimes at 4 a.m. in the morning, because sometimes all the time the washing machines are available at that time. So you're gonna need a lot of socks, a lot of underwear, white shirt to get all that sweat, because we're gonna work probably in hot environment. So yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna not fit anything. Okay, so far we are half full. We have more underwear. Yeah, fill this stuff up. Okay, you're gonna need some t-shirts, sleeves, no sleeves, and some hoodies, because as far as I did the research, I might be going to Alaska as well. So we're gonna need also warm clothes there. 3 hoodies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts. I think that's too many, but yeah. And my all-time special, my Corona shirt. Yeah. You can take 3 of each, because you're gonna go there, buy stuff, so it won't be a problem. So you put your shirts, the shirts in, the hoodies, and we're almost full. I thought it's gonna be enough space. I'm gonna take the socks now. There's a little gap here. Fill the gap. I'm gonna spread the white shirts. More white shirts. Oh Lord. Some pajamas. Yeah. 1 pair is enough. And short sleeves for the hot weather. And we're full. And I need to take 4 pairs of shoes with me. 4 pairs. One of them, I need these leather shoes, yeah, for work. They are very uncomfortable. I need to figure out something out with them. And basically everything you need for hygiene: toothpaste, toothbrushes, razor blades. And guys, razor blades, all this kind of stuff, put it in your suitcase, because once you get a razor blade confiscated, because they're not allowed to go with you in the backpack. So yeah, put them in the suitcase. Flip-flops, always. We're gonna go to the beach, so yeah, we need flip-flops. Let's see what you're gonna take in the backpack with you. Okay, clean shaped. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare the backpack and all the essentials you need to take with you. Your medical, all the documents you have signed so you can get on the ship, and your passport. So that's the most important thing you're gonna need. Next, we're gonna move to the 50mm lens for my camera, strap also for my camera, things for the GoPro, headphones as usual to travel from airport to airport, chest mount for your GoPro, little power bank, GoPro mounts, headphones. I have waterproof mask for my phone for underwater, but I don't believe I'm gonna use it, so yeah. Mounts, 4 mounts, floaty device for the GoPro, head mount for the GoPro, and guys, 1 terabyte of hard disk is essential wherever you go. 1 minute of this video is like 1 gig, so yeah, you're gonna need a lot of space. I mean, if you're a photographer like me, you're gonna need a lot of space. The GoPro, his charger, this Bluetooth speaker. I use it a lot when I was back on board, so yeah, you can get one. It's very useful, very helpful wherever you go. If you go on the beach, so yeah, take it with you. Chill music everywhere you go. So basically all that's to it. So if you have any questions, please use the comment section below. I'm gonna do more videos tomorrow when I'm flying, and I also film there. So I continue this. I'm filming every day. So I just started a month ago to film this video. So I hope you guys like them. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna continue to film on the way when I get to the hotel, when I get to the airport. So thanks for the support, guys, and if you like this video, thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, what should you bring on board, and that's about it. Subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.